Hi, the heat is really, really on with its really certified summertime. So talagang pag mainit, syempre, dapat meron tayong sama lamig. Now, for this afternoon, I will be making this dalgona coffee with a twist of uh, Swiss dark chocolate. Okay, let's try this. So, first is, of course, get na siya. Yan. Okay. So, lagyan muna natin dito para maganda ang result here. Para mas cute siya tingnan. There. Para really we have this amazing dalgona coffee and with Swiss dark chocolate. Ayan siya, covered na siya, di ba? Next, of course, we will uh, make our dalgona coffee with this Nescafe Gold. Ayan siya. Siyempre, lalagay natin dyan. Then, one sachet. Then, of course, we add water. Ayan. Then, with this very reliable frother. Ayan. Dali-dali siya tingnan. There you go. Ayan. So, gawin natin ito hanggang talagang mag-froth siya less than a minute. Ayan. Froth na siya. Ayan. O see. Ayan. Woo! Yeah. This is really reliable and this frother is really very cheap. Andyan yan si Yellow Basket ko. Ayan. See. Ayan. Less than a minute. Mga 30 seconds lang. Para to be really, really froth and really, very, really creamy. Ayan. Okay. Then, we will put the ice here. Then, our barista outside milk. Wow. This is really very good. And then we add also to have a smoother and tastier dalgona coffee. We'll add 2 cups of this vanilla from Starbucks. Yan siya. Then, we will add now our froth. Oh, see? Sarap-sarap oh. Sarap-sarap oh. Then, of course, our twist now is this Swiss Miss dark chocolate. Yan. Ay, matigas. Ayan. So, lagay na natin dito. Sprinkle lang siya. Ayan. Bango. Bango ng dark chocolate. There. And let's stop again with this sauce. Ayan. Okay. So, now, here it is. Try natin ha. Hey, straw. Where are you, straw? Oh. Seems really, really very refreshing. Look at this. Swiss Miss dark chocolate. Time to taste. Bang klase naman. Okay, I could really taste the sweetness of the caramel sauce. Also the taste of this dark chocolate Swiss Miss. And of course, talagang masarap and very refreshing. Cheers to hot summer afternoon.